Hello, I'm Simran Rajpal and you're watching JagranJosh. And here is an important update for all Class 10 students of Goa. The Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, or GBSHSC, will announce their SSC Class 10 results on Monday, that is April 7, 2025 at 5 p.m. This year, total of 18,838 students appeared for the Class 10 examinations conducted from March 1 to March 20, 2025. The result announcement is awaited with great anticipation. Once declared, the results will be available online at the official website, that is results.gbshscgoa.net. You can also access your results through DigiLocker app or the DigiLocker website. Here's how to check your Goa Board SSC Result 2025 online. Step 1, visit results.gbshscgoa.net. Step 2, click on link that says Goa Board SSC Result 2025. Step 3, enter your seat number, school index number and date of birth. Step 4, fill in the CAPTCHA code, and final step, click on get result. After that, download and save or print the result for future reference. In case the official website is not working or is slow, students can check their results through SMS as well. Step 1, open the SMS app on your mobile phone. After that, type result Goa 10 roll number, replace Goa roll number with your actual roll number. Then send it to 56263 or 5676750. After that, you will receive your result as a text message on your phone shortly. Students can also access their Goa HSSC Result 2025 through DigiLocker. Here's how. Step number 1, log in to the DigiLocker app using your username and password. After that, enter your Aadhaar number if prompted. Then click on the Pull Partner Documents button in the left sidebar. After that, select Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education from the options given below. Now choose Marksheet, Goa HSSC Marksheet. After that, enter your year of passing and your roll number. After that, click on Get Document to download your Goa SSC Result Digital Marksheet. Then save to Locker to keep a copy in your DigiLocker account. We wish all the students the very best for their results. Stay tuned to JagranJosh for more such updates on education, exams and results. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you like this video. Thank you so much.